50,000 rupees is your project cost. You're not getting all of it. Here's why: 10% might vanish before it hits your account. Freelancers in India, this one's for you. How to price your services smartly and deal with taxes, especially TDS. You quoted 50,000 rupees for a project. You think you'll receive 50,000 in your bank account. But surprise, one day you check and there's only 45,000 sitting there. What just happened? This is called TDS, tax deducted at source. Under Section 19(4)(j) of Income Tax Act, your client is supposed to deduct 10% TDS before paying you. So let's say you quoted 50,000 rupees. They'll cut 5,000 as tax and send 45,000 rupees. That's 5k. It goes to the government on your behalf and you'll see it later in your Form 26AS. Now here's where most freelancers mess up. They'll forget this 10% cut while quoting and then feel a bit cheated. So what should you do instead? If you want to receive 50,000 in hand, you need to gross up your price. It's super simple math. You take your in-hand target amount of 50,000 rupees and divide it by 0.9 because 90% is what you'll get after 10% TDS is deducted. So 50,000 divided by 0.9 equals to 55,555. That is the amount you should quote to the client. So how to write this in your invoice or contract? Well, you have two options. Option 1, the amount is 55,555 inclusive of applicable taxes. Or option 2, if you're quoting 50,000 rupees and you're okay with the deduction, say this fee is subject to TDS under Section 19(4)(j) and the client may deduct 10% as per the applicable laws. But in most cases, if 50,000 rupees is your minimum non-negotiable amount that covers your time, your efforts and cost, don't let the TDS eat into it. Make it very clear that that is the net payable. Now what if your client says, but isn't TDS your responsibility? Well, it's a yes and a no. Yes, because TDS is deducted on your behalf and it is your responsibility to file taxes, claim it and get a refund. But no, it should not reduce your quoted service fee, especially if you made it clear that the price is net payable. Don't feel awkward or scared to assert it. Let's summarize. Step 1. Decide how much you want to receive in hand, for example, 50,000 rupees. Step 2. Gross it up. 50,000 rupees divided by 0.9 equals to 55,555. Step 3. Quote 55,555 and mention that 50,000 rupees is the net payable after TDS. Now step 4. Be clear in your email, invoice and contract. So next time you send a quote, you won't get surprised when your payment is 5,000 rupees short because you plan smart like a pro.